There's a Cabbage. This Amtrak engine is an old F40PH diesel locomotive. It was built in 1975 and used on Amtrak as a regular passenger locomotive. When the new units, F59PHIs and Genesis units, came on, these engines were retired. They were stripped of all their motors, but the cab controls were left intact as well as the remote control equipment. And they started a new life as baggage cars and cab units. Since they do have the cab controls in them and a baggage car where the engine used to be, they are affectionately known as Cabbages. This is one of the several Cabbages that was made back then. The cars that are pulling are Amfleet Am coaches that came to Amtrak in about 1975, 1976 as new cars. They have airline-style seating and interiors and have been used on this railroad on the San Diego line for some time. The cars up in front are known as Horizon Fleet cars. They're the squared off ones just behind the main locomotive. They too replaced the Amfleet cars and were used in San Diego service for a while until the Surfliners came along. This is the only train set of old equipment they still use on the line. We're looking at the Cabbage again.